Hi everyone, today we're going to know how to prepare a presentation PPT by using AI without write anything or looking for any information, and all this is free. So keep watching the video until the end and enjoy. Like and subscribe and comment, and let's begin. After sign up with your Google account, go to your browser and search for WePick, or you will find the link on description below. Click on features in the menu here. Choose AI Presentation Maker. After that, click on Get Started. Now choose your topic. For example, I will type artificial intelligence here on writing tone. I will choose professional and language English. Number of pages is 15. At the moment, if you want to edit it here, you can do that, but I'm going to show you how you can do that if you want to edit it in PowerPoint. All you have to do is drop the file onto the website just like that. Click on Convert to PPT. If you benefited from this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Leave an amazing comment like you. I will share with you distinctive artificial intelligence techniques and also how to create AI content.